just to kind of summarize, we talked about the day, part 1, part 2 agenda. Again, it can happen over 2 days or 3 days now in the remote world. How do these things that happen within the PI planning, how do they align with some of the core principles that we talked about? Transparency, alignment, built-in quality.
So when we talk about these agendas, different events which we talked about, business context, there is no reason why business context should be done. Why should I communicate business? I'm a director, I'm a business owner. Right? Why should I? As I said, the reason why they are communicating is to let the team, everyone know, being transparent about what my goal is. Right? Creating a transparency of what, as an organization, I'm anticipating my organization to be. Right? Second thing is an alignment. Now, this is my goal. Are you ready to do that? Can you do that, please? Right? Creating an alignment of this is my goal. I want your contribution towards my goal. So what is that contribution? And the teams come up with this plan. I said, yes, this is in line. Oh, I'm aligning with your plan. Once this alignment and transparency is taking place, the moment you are thinking of a feature and decomposing that to shippable, testable, and valuable increments, which are called user stories, and releasing them by understanding them well and prioritizing them well, you're already generating a quality. By defining them well, you're already generating a quality. So the quality is being built right from not only during the development. The quality is being built right from the point a feature or a user story is conceptualized. Right from the conceptualization, or right from the creation of the vision itself. And we saw this, right? Teams collaborating, stakeholders being there to help the decision making, stakeholders coming and understanding the challenges of the team and helping them to solve those, understanding the risks and helping them to resolve immediately, helping the team collaborate each other, building relationships, and finally coming up with a confident plan, program execution.
Absolutely.
So all these values are living. The PI planning manifests, it lives the values of the SAFE.
Gotcha.
And experiencing a PI planning is a mind-blowing experience. Believe me. We can, every single second in these 2 days or in these 2 parts, all these 16 hours or 17 hours or 15 hours we are investing, every second we can actually feel these values.
Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. We will sure to come back with more exciting videos on Agile topics.